everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to flip a video in Capcut. To flip a video clip in Capcut, first of all, open up the Capcut application on your mobile device and then select the video you want to flip from your device's gallery. Tap on the New Project button from the home page and choose a video from your device's camera roll. After selecting a video, tap on Add at the bottom right corner to get to the editing timeline. Now tap on the video clip in the editing timeline to highlight it. Go to the bottom of the screen and you will see several other options over there. Tap on the Transform button at the bottom. Now, once you are in this page, simply tap on the Mirror button on the bottom left. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to flip your video horizontally. Play the video to make sure the flip effect looks as expected. And once you are done, you can go ahead and export your video by tapping Export at the top right corner. And that's how you will be able to flip your video clip in Capcut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Capcut tutorials. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.